Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys mobile network problem how to fix on Motorola phone. Friends, we want to fix guys your mobile network problem. So how to fix today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you have a mobile network problem, how to fix mobile network. Click on phone setting and friends click on search option aeroplane mode setting. Friends, aeroplane mode setting is first guys on your aeroplane mode for 5 oh, sorry guys 10 second. After 10 second guys turn off your aeroplane mode and friends you use your mobile network. So once your mobile network on, that's good. So don't worry guys, second option guys we have, friends click on your Motorola phone guys, system setting guys, system setting guys we will on it. After on system setting friends click on reset option and guys you will have to reset friends your mobile network setting. So I will click on mobile network setting guys, mobile data setting guys, you want to reset friends tap here reset setting. Please wait guys, setting has been reset and friends now friends you can use your mobile network without any problem. After that guys your mobile network problem not solved, so friends you can restart your phone and friends you can power off and you can power on your phone. And friends again friends you haven't doubt any problem, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number and friends send me in comment section. Friends I will check, I will help you guys. But guys when you will do, when you will reset and guys when you will on your airplane mode, so guys your mobile network problem will solve but guys not solve. So take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. And friends you can reset direct your mobile network setting from your search option guys, search here the reset setting guys, reset option. Friends you can reset mobile network setting from here, tap here reset. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.